Hi friends, Tina did it here and welcome back to my channel. I did it. You asked for it and I did it. I went ahead and beach themed my outdoor lantern, I believe, or what is it called? Like the outdoor lighting that I like a few videos ago I've made, and it's a solar lighting. If you missed out on that video, you might want to go check it out. I'll put the link down in the description, but many of you have asked to see how I would beach theme it. So here it is. I added tons of seashells, pearls, an anchor on the side, twine, and I even added things inside the vase itself. Of course, you can make this different if you'd like. You could add all seashells, or instead of an anchor, you can add like a captain's wheel or a ship wheel. But yeah, but I'm definitely loving the way this turned out. I think I'm going to beach theme all of the ones I have, so that way you can go with the summer look, and then maybe I'll go back to that other one later on after summer's over. But I'm going to show you how I beach themed it. So what you want to do is grab anything that has a feeling of like coastal decor or beach decor. So here I have an anchor, some marbles. They're like green, blue, and white. I'm going to grab some pearls, seashells, of course, and some twine, or you can use some rope. And of course, you've seen in my previous video how I added the gems in there. It's just with E6000, but you definitely want to check out that video first before looking at this one, so that way you can see how I made it. But after you glue on your gems, I'm going to go ahead and pour my sand in. I have white sand, and Dollar Tree does sell bags of sand. If not, you can go ahead and use salt. I don't recommend using sugar. So I'm just going to pour my sand in there and use anything that you have on hand. I'm going to put in some seashells, marbles, but you can definitely put anything in there. Before I forget to mention, if you like videos that are straight on point and cute and simple projects like this one, and definitely affordable, be sure to subscribe and click that bell button so you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome. It's great to have you here. Now be sure to subscribe and click that bell so you don't miss out on awesome DIYs like this one. Now that I'm done with the inside, here's how mine turned out. I'm going to take the cover, the wired mesh, and glue that on top again, like we did in a previous video. Like I'm telling you, this all won't make sense if you didn't watch the other video. So be sure to check out that video, and I'll have the link down in the description. Now that we're done with the vase itself, I like how it's nice and simple. So, yeah, I'm going to set that aside. Now I'm going to take my rings. I decided to go with the color black. You can go ahead and paint it silver if you'd like, but I just went ahead with the color black, same as the other one. But I glued on my anchor, and I'm going in with my seashells. Notice my seashells are like overlapping. I think that gives it a better look. And now I'm going to go in and wrap it with twine, at least the bottom part. You don't want to apply seashells or anything that kind of sticks out in the bottom, because this will be placed on the floor. So I went ahead with the twine in the bottom, gave it a little trim, and then I just went in and decorated the rest of the ring. And those are bamboo wooden rings, by the way, also from Dollar Tree. But here's how it looks at night, and I definitely love the way it turned out. I'm glad you guys requested this, because I am pleased and I love the way this looks. By the way, I did keep the back ring. Notice in the back I left it just black. I didn't decorate that. I feel like it might be a bit too much, so I just decorated the front one. And look at the little seashells in there. It's super cute. I love the way it turned out, you guys, but I want to hear it from you, so be sure to stop by the comment section and let me know what you think. And here's how it looks in the morning. And the best part is that this is made using the solar light from Dollar Tree, so you don't have to press any buttons or add batteries or anything. So this will just turn on at night and turn off again. But here's how it looks in the morning time, and I am pleased with the way this turned out. But let me know down in the comments what you think. Which one do you like more? Do you like the first one that we made here, or do you like the beach themed one? Let me know down in the comments. They both look great to me, so I want to hear from you. Let me know. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun DIYs. And be sure to share with your friends. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.